experiment to show you how to make a volcano.
A volcano? Mm-hmm. We're going to make a volcano?
And our guest is Pop Pop.
Oh, I'm a guest.
From all the way from Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay. So I'm the guest. I'm Pop Pop.
But what's your name?
And your name is?
He flew down from Pennsylvania to Florida.
Yeah, to be special guest on this channel while we make an explosion with the volcano. So mad scientist over here with the safety glasses on.
And don't leave the video.
Okay, so we have the mad scientist with the glasses on over here. Okay, so according to the book here, learn to explode. Whoa, are we gonna explode?
We might.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Well, the supplies we need to do this volcano is the volcano base. We have baking soda. We have citric acid. We have a yellow measuring spoon, right? And we have a beaker. So we're going to fill up the beaker with some water. Okay? So we have the volcano base all ready to go, right? Okay. 2, it says, using your yellow measuring spoon, add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda to the crater hole found right here. So we got to put in some baking soda. So we're going to open the baking soda.
We'll get a plastic cup.
All right. We'll open the plate. We'll open the baking soda. Okay. Okay. All right. And we're going to put it in. Yeah. We don't need a cup. Okay. We're going to add 2 scoops. Okay. 1 scoop. Okay. Put another scoop in there. Just stick it in the hole. Stick it down. There we go. Oh man. Shovel it out. There we go. A little bit more. Put some in there. Not much. Go down. Dig down. Dig down. Get this stuff out. There we go. Throw that in there. Oh my God. Throw that in there. Okay. Add this in. Come on. Add that in. Alright. Beautiful. Oh my God. This is going to be so... This thing is really going to explode, I think. Okay. Then it says add 1 large spoonful of citric acid. So we're going to add 1 large spoonful of this. Okay, stick that in there. Grab some out of there. Hold on a minute. There you go. Grab that whole thing. Pour that whole cup in there. We're really going to make this thing blow up. There you go. Put the whole thing in there. Yeah, we have a little extra too. Alright, okay. Then, we're going to fill the beaker with 15 millimeters of water. Okay, so...
Which one's the 15?
Alright, so 15, you're going to fill the water up. So right about there, yeah. Right about here. Go ahead, put some water in there. Oh, whoa. Oh, we gotta put some back. Okay.
Look. Billy? It's okay.
Okay. It'll drop one. Okay. Alright, so then it says add the water to this. To the baking soda and the crystallized acid. Okay. And then once we do this, we better be prepared, because I think something might happen. What do you think's going to happen?
It's going to explode.
Oh, it's going to explode. Oh no. Maybe I need to stand back. You're the one with the safety glasses on. So I'll stand back while you put the water in there. Oh my God! Look at that thing go! Oh! And there we have it. There we have it. The volcano exploded.
Let's see.
Now, let's try something different. We could try adding more different ingredients in there.
Oh, yeah, you
We could put soap in there. Look at that sizzle.
Don't eat it.
No. I don't add no more water.
Oh, I want to.
You should have done this.
Okay. And there you have it, folks.
What are you
Bye
gonna-
bye.
what are you gonna-
Thanks for having me as special guest on your YouTube channel. Oh.
And what are you gonna
I-
tell them? Dan?
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a huge thumbs up.
Yo.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.